Bulbasaur isn't complete without his spots, and neither is my Bulbasaur cosplay dress, so we're going to quickly add some spots using CosBond attach and build. To begin, I'm going to create some paper templates to figure out the size, shape, and placement of the spots. Next, I'm going to cut these templates out of my attach and build and then peel and stick them to my fabric. Then I can cut the shapes from my fabric, peel the back, and stick them to my dress. I always go over my fabric with an iron to ensure the adhesives get in there nicely. With attach and build, I can add fabrics, foams, gems, lace, ribbon, basically any details I want to my cosplays. It makes assembling and adding to builds quick, easy, and mess-free.